Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Stanley Motor, the company which owns 58 HWT Business Process Outsourcing and Technology Park, officially launched its initial public offering IPO today. The company is offering over 757 million ordinary shares, which includes 227 million reserved shares. The price per share is $5.31. The company intends to list all the shares on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The offer will open on July 6 and will close on July 20. Meanwhile, Mayberry Investments Limited also launched an IPO today of up to 120 million ordinary shares. 105 million of these shares will be reserved for priority applicants. The company plans to list its subsidiary, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, which was formerly Mayberry West Indies Limited, on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Mayberry has listed an offer price of $7.56 per share. The offer will open on July 9 and closed on July 30. Metri Siaga is the president of the recently merged Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA. The association held its first annual general meeting this morning at its Duke Street location in downtown Kingston, where the members elected the board of directors. Mr. Siaga told the Business Day some of the changes to the new JMEA board.
I am the president. Richard Pandewi, who was the deputy president of the JMA, is now the deputy president. Michelle Chung, who was the president of the JEA, sits on the board as a past president. And there have been some new changes, some new directors been added to the board.
The JMEA was formed from the merger of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association and the Jamaica Exporters Association. Members of both associations decided that an amalgamation of the two entities would give them a stronger voice as a lobby group. But in terms of the services offered by the association, Mr. Siaga says it will be business as usual.
We have been undertaking individually that we'll be doing it together.
In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $130.39. The Canadian dollar went for $100. The pound is selling for $172.97, and the euro is going for $152.90 on average. Crude oil prices staged a 4-day rally to end the week at their highest settlement. Oil for delivery in August gained $1.03 to settle at $74.31 a barrel. The rally in crude prices emerged as focus shifted to the prospects of deeper losses of Iranian crude supplies. Now, the JSE index gained 2,002 points today to close at more than 305,000 points. The junior index lost less than a point. Among the winners were Caribbean Cement Company, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostics, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, JMMB Group, Key Insurance, Mayberry Investments, NCB Financial Group, and Pulse Investments. Now, on the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Caribbean Cream, Fosrich Company, General Accident Insurance Company, ISP Finance Services, Jamaica Broilers Group, and Kingston Wharves. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.